Great views from this 28.40 acres of rolling pasture and wooded property with a customized Highline one-level home less than 5 miles from Myrtle Point. Built in 2015 with approximately 1,780 square feet. 3 beds/2 baths, open floor plan, gourmet kitchen with large island and pantry, spacious living room with vaulted ceilings, master suite has walk-in closet and large bath, covered front porch, partially covered deck, patio, multiple outbuildings, pasture fenced and cross-fenced, oodles of fruit trees, grapes,